Oh boy. Windy.
What's wrong?
It's windy.
Yeah. You don't have a jacket, but
No, that's fine.
is that a
There's
policeman?
a police. Yeah, he's hiding. Burbank Boulevard. Look at that.
Boy, is it windy.
Yeah.
Now, this person really should not be walking now. But we're not going to hit him anyway. I'm surprised there's so little traffic.
Yeah. Respond.
No, you
Yeah.
Go.
I get it.
Yeah, I never thought we'd make the signal. Person up ahead, but okay.
There, target. Maybe you can check your t-shirt in Costco.
What?
You can check t-shirt in Costco.
Okay. We can do whatever you tell me to do.
Yeah.
But we have my hearing aid someplace.
I have. I got it.
That's why we're going.
Yeah. Doing good. We're going to shopping. No, nothing.
I have a million things, but I don't think I have a Costco card.
Yeah.
Oh. Here's a check made out to Gelson's I forgot to cash. I have absolutely no money.
Yeah, you have your card, so.
What?
You have your card, no problem. And we asked if we can use your cashback.
Where do we have that? Do you have it?
We're gonna check there.
Okay. You're in charge.
Yeah.
Look at the bazillion people who are already here.
Yeah.
Look at this stupid car. Well, the white one, I mean, in the complete wrong lane. Watch out. Good for you, lady. I never try to do that.
Back up. Let's check if we can get a disabled parking. But everybody? Not too early. I think they open 9 o'clock. Right?
There's a bazillion people here.
Yeah. Yeah, I think if you have a business card,
Do I have?
mean, a business Costco card. No, I have a business card.
Just a minute. Go slow. I think you could. There's a parking place.
Yeah. I got a business card, so we can go in.
I don't know what you're saying, but
They have two different. You have it's like a basic card, and you have the. Okay, let's go.